Since 1942, in the heart of Enugu, the College of the Immaculate Conception has stood as more than a school. It is a tradition, a family, a legacy. For over 8 decades, these halls have shaped generations of young minds, men who would grow into professors, innovators, leaders, and respected voices across the globe. Here, the spirit of Semper Fidelis, always faithful, lives on. It is more than a motto. It is the bond that unites every student and alumnus. On these grounds, friendships were formed, lessons were learned, and dreams took root. Every corner holds a story. Every step echoes with pride. The College of the Immaculate Conception Enugu is not just a school. It is a cradle of excellence that has given the world some of its brightest minds. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Semper Fidelis.